today's topic is transportation. Okay, we have seen digestive system, already seen the respiratory system. Now we'll move on to the circulatory system of animals. Now, in lower animals, the circulatory system may contains two things, that is open circulatory system or closed circulatory system. Now what does this open and closed circulatory system means? Open, where you do not have any kind of blood vessels like arteries, veins and capillaries, while closed circulatory system, you have a particularly channel system or a tube system in which the whole transportation is being carried out, that is arteries and veins. When we move to humans circulatory system, particularly a human circulatory system consists of a heart, okay, which regulates the whole circulation of blood. So before starting anything else, how the system is being carried out, we'll first see what is the structure of heart, okay, how it is being made up of. First of all, the heart is a muscular organ which continuously works, rhythmically contracts and relaxes. Okay, the size of our heart is about 1 fist, मतलब एक मुट्ठी के size जितना आपका heart है. Okay, and this theory that when the child is being small or younger, the heart will be younger. As if it grows, तो structure of heart भी grow करता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, this theory is also being wrong कि person की fist के size के जितना, मतलब like अगर मेरा हाथ का size छोटा है उतने ही size का मेरा हाथ होगा, कोई बड़ा है तो उसके हाथ का size इतना है तो उतना होगा. That theory is also being wrong. Scientists have studied the structure on an average that it is the size of about 1 fist. एक मुट्ठी का size जितना बनता है उतना. It may depend for long, the size may vary somewhat. Okay, next, the heart is divided into 4 chambers. Okay, this is the main category through which we humans are being separated from the animals. Mainly the mammals which are being present, they all have 4 chambered heart, while the reptiles, they do have 3 chambered, like crocodiles. Okay, then you have frogs, they also have 3 chambered. What is the difference between 3 chambered and 4? In humans, as we have 4 chambered, the whole blood, the upper 2 chambers and lower 2 chambers are being separated out, and the whole structure of your heart is divided from the center with the help of a septum. Based on that, on the one side of your heart you have pure blood flow, and on the other side you have impure blood flow. As it is divided into chambers, the mixing of the blood is not being carried out. While if you have 3 chambered heart, what happens, the upper one side contains pure, the upper one side other contains impure, but in this lower side where you do not have divisions, the blood is again mixed up. So in 3 chambered heart, the mixed type of blood is being flowed, मतलब pure और impure दोनों mixture form में circulate हो रहा है. While as if in humans you have divisions, the pure and impure blood are being totally circulated in different manners. Okay, further you can see the division which is being there over here. ऐसा एक septum present होता है through which the blood heart is divided into 2 chambers. You can see blue color and reddish color. Blue color defines the deoxygenated blood, while red color defines the oxygenated blood. That gives you the oxygenated blood. The blue color which is being shown in this chamber, this is the right side of the heart and this is the left side. So your heart over here is divided into these 4 chambers, right and left, और यहाँ पे भी बीच में एक septum होता है. Based on that, over here they have shown these walls. You can see the walls which are being shown. Okay, see the septum which is shown. So based on that, it is divided into 4 different regions. Okay, now the structure also contains, so your heart is divided as if in this category. Further, it contains this vena cavas. Vena cavas, these are nothing but the blood vessels which will carry the blood from upper and the lower sides of the body. So similarly, this vena cava is present on the upper side, which is called as superior, and on the lower side from the back side See this vena cava. This is called as inferior. Okay, superior and inferior vena cavas. Next, it also contains the valves. Valves are such structures which will prevent the backflow. Note it down that valves functions are being mainly asked for your small short answers. 1 mark के जो questions होते हैं उसमें functions of valve is being asked. सिंपल है, इट प्रिवेंट्स दी बैकफ्लो इन द सेंस कि ब्लड आपका जो है वो ऊपर से नीचे तो जाएगा लेकिन नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ नहीं जा पाएगा. ओके, सो सच वॉल्व्स आर बीइंग प्रेजेंट. एक वॉल्व आपका राइट आर्ट्रियम और राइट वेंट्रिकल, और वैसा ही लेफ्ट आर्ट्रियम और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल के बीच होता है. ओके, ना आर्ट्रियम एंड वेंट्रिकल्स आर अगेन द पार्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हार्ट. Upper two are called as auricles or atriums and the lower ones are called as ventricles. Okay, तो राइट आर्ट्रियम और राइट वेंट्रिकल के बीच में होता है ट्राइकस्पिड वॉल्व. ट्राई मतलब 3 डिविजन्स, और लेफ्ट आर्ट्रियम और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल के बीच में होता है विच इज कॉल्ड एज बाइकस्पिड वॉल्व. ओके, इट ऑल्सो कंटेन्स पल्मोनरी आर्टरी एंड पल्मोनरी वेन्स. जितने भी आर्टरीज और वेन्स है बॉडी में, दे ऑल कैरी द आर्टरीज कैरीज ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड एंड वेन्स कैरी डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, बट ओनली द पल्मोनरी आर्टरीज एंड पल्मोनरी वेन्स आर सच विच आर बीइंग कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी. मतलब पल्मोनरी आर्टरी इज द ओनली आर्टरी विच विल कैरी डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड and pulmonary vein is the only vein which will carry oxygenated blood. Otherwise body में normally arteries will carry pure blood only. Okay, so this is the basic structure of heart. I'm repeating the whole structure again. The structure is about, the size is about 1 fist divided into 4 chambers, upper 2 atrium, lower 2 ventricles. The whole structure is divided with the help of the septum. सेंटर में भी सेप्टम से डिवीजन है, साइड में भी सेप्टम से डिवीजन है. बिटवीन राइट आर्ट्रियम एंड राइट वेंट्रिकल यू हैव ट्राइकस्पिड वॉल्व. बिटवीन लेफ्ट आर्ट्रियम एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल you have bicuspid valve. Apart from this you have vena cavas from upper and lower side. Upper is called as superior, lower is called as inferior. You also contains pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins to carry out the flow of blood. Okay, so this is about the structure. It also contains aorta. Aorta, that is the main artery after your left ventricle. When the blood has to be circulated inside the whole body, that function is being performed by the aorta. Clear? This is the whole structure. Question is normally asked, explain the structure of heart with diagram. You have to draw the diagram, this figure only which is being given to you. Okay, in the next one we'll see the circulatory system, how it is being carried out. Okay.